Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2019 Isuzu NRR. It's a 19.5 GVW truck. But before we jump into that walk around, I want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So that way every time we put new product online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from a customer's trade-ins. This is where this particular truck came from, or our leasing company. We go through to a 150-point check. We do the cabs, bodies, brakes, lift gates, tires, brakes. Any discrepancies that are found, we run through our medium and body shops. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, put them online for our customers to look at. This particular truck, like I said, is a 2019 NRR. It's a 19.5 GVW truck. And on top of that 150-point check, we've done the engine oil, oil filter, fuel and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned and it's pre-qualified for extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. As we get in, plenty of grab handles to get in. We've got a nice captain's chair for the driver. We got a two-person bench seat for a crew of 3. Great outward and upward visibility. With it being a cab over truck, you don't have the nose on it like the conventional truck. This particular truck has a 21-foot body on it, but since it doesn't have the conventional cab on it, it's a lot smaller footprint, makes this truck a whole lot more maneuverable. We've got AM, FM, CD radio, air conditioner, cruise control, and even though this is a 2019 truck, it is very clean and be a great ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. Here at Industrial Power, we've been an Isuzu dealer for well over 30 years, so we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of our trucks. This is a pre-owned chassis, but we have put a brand new 21-foot Wil-Ro body on it. It has got 5 straps and binders on it, so you can secure your load. It's got the stake sides on it, so you can load it and not have to worry about stuff coming out of it. The back 2, these come off, so you can load it from the rear, or you can take the sides off and load it from the side. We've left an ICC bumper on this truck. If you are interested in this truck and want to put a lift gate, we can put whatever lift gate on the back of this truck without having to cut another one off. Is why we left the ICC bumper, but we have a lot of options. And even though this is a stake bed, not a van body, which most people are most familiar with us having, we can still wrap the cab of this truck with your name, your graphic, your design, still turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. As we say, we've got a really nice Isuzu NRR, pre-qualified for the extended warranty you can put on it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we put new equipment on. And as always, we do appreciate your time.